Sir, please show my slide.
Yes, carry on.
Sir, slide
Yeah,
show.
I have shown your slides. Carry on.
Uh, Example, sir, I'm giving an example. Basically, in metonymy, gray hairs should be respected. Gray hairs, which means that in metonymy, here metonymy is gray hair, which means that old person, which represent old person. All person should be respected. Now, here I'm discussing the six varieties, that is sign and symbols, instrument, author of the works, author for the works, container for thing, and effect for the cause, and vice versa. Name of feeling for its object. First, sir, please next slide. Uh, Signs and symbols. Here it means in the variety. In this form of metonymy, we use sign or symbol for someone or something. We shows our feelings with the help of sign and symbols, or we convey our ideas with the help of sign and symbols. Like here, first example is he succeeded to the throne. Throne basically is metonymy, which means that king. He succeeded to the king. Basically, it makes sense about it makes sense that he became the king. He became the king, and uh, here throne is metonymy. So next slide, sir, please. Next slide. Instrumental or organ. Here, instrument, we convey our ideas without using a proper like a noun or pronoun. We use here instruments or organs. Like here, first example, the pen, sorry, here spelling mistake. Pen, pen. The pen is mightier than sword. Here the pen is represent the writer, or maybe the writing. It shows the writer, means it shows the it shows the writer and its work. So, and here sword is author for the works. Author for the works. Here we use we do not use works. Instead of we usually use author. We don't use their works. So like I'm using that there two or three examples. I'm reading Milton. I'm reading Milton. That means that Milton is a writer, or which means that I'm reading his work, like Paradise Lost, his greatest work. And second example is he's reading Ashfaq Ahmed. Like Ashfaq Ahmed is the great writer, great Pakistani writer, and he's reading Ashfaq Ahmed, which means he's reading his work, not Ashfaq Ahmed. Ashfaq Ahmed is a noun, is a person. And third here example is today I have read Shakespeare. Basically, Shakespeare here means that we do not use the person. We do not use his work. Basically, we shows his works with the using of author name, like Shakespeare. Today I have read Shakespeare. Another slide is about container for thing. Container for thing. In this type of metonymy, we use container instead of using things. uh, like we don't basically directly talk about the thing. We only talk about container. Example, I drink a cup. Here I drink a cup, which means that uh, we do not drink a like a thing. We do not drink a thing. Basically, I drink like a tea, or maybe the cup of coffee. Basically, coffee and tea, and maybe liquid milk. That shows I show with the help of represent with the help of metonymy, that is cup.
Okay,
And
okay, okay.
another example is
Uh, Excuse me.
Uh,
Yes, yes. Okay, tell me. The you have told
yes.
you have given good, presentation of metonymy on metonymy. But tell me what metonymy is in real life.
What metonymy,
Yeah. What metonymy is
sir?
in real
Sorry.
life? Real life, everyday life
Sir,
conversation.
in everyday life, we use airs. Metonymy, we use word airs that represent attention. We like example. I have given an example. Tell me about your picnic. I am all ears. That means ears means attention, full of attention. I am full of attending your what are you saying about your daily
Yeah.
routine, or
Thank you very much.
maybe
Thank you.
the picnic. So we,
Thank you very much. Thank you.
okay, sir.
Okay. Now let's start the next one. Who is? Let me open. Who is this? Iram Razak. Is she present? Is she present? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start please. Start quickly, time is very short. Start please.
Yes, sir. मेरा mute off हो रहा क्या?
Start करना.
Sir, plagiarism. The definition of plagiarism is the practice of taking someone else's work or ideas. It means without giving credit to that person. Uh, this is called plagiarism, and there are ways of plagiarism. Sir, slide please change कर दें. The basic ways to use the ideas of others. Three ways: directly quote, paraphrase, and summary. Directly quote. If you are directly quoting from a work, uh, you will need to include the author, year of publication. लेकिन अगर आप ये सब नहीं करते हैं तो
Yes, carry on, carry on. Speak English.
यस सर.
जल्दी.
सर
हाँ.
पैराफ्रेज की तरफ आती हूँ.
Yes.
पैराफ्रेज को मैं शॉर्टली डिफाइन करूँगी: a rewording of something written or spoken. And then summary: a brief statement or account of the main points of something. से मैंने ये वैसे हैं तो बहुत सारे वेज, बहुत सारे तरीके, लेकिन मैंने इन तीन को डिफाइन किया है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा जा रहा था. प्लेजरिज्म में सिचुएशन अगर आ जाए तो इसमें ऐसा है कि किसी की बनाई हुई चीज़ को हम स्टोल करें. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ दिया हुआ है: स्टूडेंट हैज़ रिटन एन असाइनमेंट फॉर अ हिस्ट्री क्लास. हर फ्रेंड टुक द क्लास लास्ट ईयर. शी आस्क्स फॉर अ एंड रिसीव्ड अ कॉपी ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स पेपर which she turns in as her own after making a few small tweaks. से किसी को क्रेडिट दिए बगैर हम किसी की चीज को ओन करें, किसी की चीज को लेकर अपना नाम देकर पेश करें, वो प्लेजरिज्म है इन शॉर्ट.
Yes, speak English. Give your presentation in English.
So that's it.
That's all. So, okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So kindly give your presentation in English. Don't use any other language. Don't use Urdu, because this is a mark presentation and it will be sent to the group of teachers, and VCSA will personally see all these videos. So that is why you should speak. You should give your presentation in English. Okay, is this student present? Is she present?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So it means I should close this file. Okay. Then Fatma is done. Rimsha, is she present? Is Rimsha present?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here is your presentation. Start this. Start.
Assalamu alaikum to all of you. My name is Rimsha and today's my topic is polysemy. So, what is polysemy? Polysemy means it is two, poly means many and semi means meaning. It is a word that comes from Greek and having two or more related meanings. Polysemy is concerned with the way words often have a number of different meanings, and polysemy is characterized. It is characterized by it is characterized by a phenomena of single word form is associated with two or several related senses. It is distinguished from monosemy, where one word form is associated with a single meaning, and homonymy, where a single word form is associated with two or several unrelated meaning. It means polysemy. We all people have to know polysemy. What polysemy? Polysemy create a different meanings in different situations. So next slide, please. Example.
This is the last one.
No, sir. Examples of polysemy. Here I used head of department. We use head it is also a part of body. Head it is also a head of nail, and head it is also the head of sentence. Like he is a boy. When he is a boy, he used as a head of sentence. And sometimes we say bright shine is also create a meaning shine. Intelligent bright student we sometimes we say it also a shine. And so next slide. Yes, sir. Ambiguity. Polysemous words and its ambiguity in meaning. Sometimes we use polysemy words and it also creates ambiguity. Here is written she drink. What she drink? She drink alcohol, water, or cake, tea. It used in different senses. Polysemy. Drink create polysemy. She goes. Where she goes? School, college, university, shopping mall, or where? Goes create different meanings. It is a polysemy. Goes polysemy.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, tell me what is the importance of polysemy? If we study polysemy, so what advantage can we
Yes,
get?
sir. Sir, polysemy is very necessary to be aware of all students, of all individuals, because sometimes sometime a word is used in situation, but we can't understand because we don't know polysemy how the word is meaning. To be aware the word polysemy and learning about the range of polysemy is to know about the new context of meanings.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, is Madhiya present? Madhiya? Is Madhiya present?
यार चूं कार बीतते ये कहीं की नहीं मदिया अली
Is Madhiya present? No.
No, sir. Madhya not.
She is not present. Okay. about this student? Is Aman Kausar present?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Yes, start please. Walaikum salam.
Without wasting my time, as you know, my name is Aman. So today my topic is collocation. Uh, a collocation, a relationship between words that frequently come together, such as specific grouping. Just like some words attach together, collocation are words that work naturally together. Like if we say husband, someone immediately say wife. And the action of placing things side by side or in position. Like if we say chair, immediately we will say table. Tendency of word to occur with each other, relationship of word which they have together and mostly come together. And if we state collocation in different manner, one important thing we should study: without collocation we will sound unnatural. And here is the some kinds of collocations. I will define some kinds of collocations. Strong collocations, like words that are strongly attached with each other, like husband and wife, brother and sister. In our language, talmatol, jaan pehchan is a strong collocation. And if we talk about another kind of collocation, this is weak collocations. Combinations are free, words can free, substituted. Example, bad boy and the bad deep feeling. And another collocation is unique collocations. Like words are very unique in co-occurring with each another. Like Abe Zamzam, Abdos, Abe Hayat. These three collocations are suggested with each other. And now examples of collocations. So examples of collocations. Collocations refer to a natural combination of words that are closely affiliated with each other. Some examples are pay attention, just like fast food. We don't say a quick food. This is a fast food.
Actually, you have written here connotation in place of collocation.
No, sir. No, sir. There is some mistake. Um,
It is
um,
a mark
no, sir.
presentation. It is a mark
Oh,
presentation. You should have checked it properly. It is being recorded and it will be sent to the group. Do you know?
yes, sir. I know, but this is I forgot the change. So connotations. I will write connotations. So I forgot, sir.
So be careful. Okay, tell me about
Yes, sir.
yeah.
So,
Do
sir,
we use collocation in our real
next
life?
slides.
Just answer.
Collocation, yes, sir.
Do we use
Yes, sir. We
collocation?
will.
Do we use collocation
y-
in our everyday language?
Yes, sir. In everyday language, as I suggested the examples, talmatol, chupan chupai. These are the collocations which we use in our daily life.
What about English example?
English example, sir. A handsome. If I say handsome, so no one has a issue. Handsome a boy and intelligent and beautiful. So this is a meaningful sentence. This is because beautiful is lady or girl.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Next one. Rimsha done. Okay. Manzoor Ahmad present. Manzoor Ahmad present. Manzoor Ahmad. Manzoor Ahmad present.
Sir, Aksanas. There is no Manzoor Ahmad in our class.
Okay, sorry. Aksanas, is she present? Aksanas present? No. Okay. From resort.
सर अक्सा के पास लाइट चली गई है, उसने मैसेज किया था।
Sadia Ghaffar. Is she present? Sadia Ghaffar.
Yes, sir.
I'm playing your slide, please. Start.
Yes, sir.
Start your presentation.
Sir, please change slide.
Speak loudly.
Okay. So basically, subject-verb agreement must agree with one another in number, singular or plural. If a subject is singular, its verb must also be singular. If a subject is plural, its verb must also be a plural. For example, she writes every day. Subject is singular, verb is also singular. Now subject is plural, verb also plural. They writes every day. Sir, please change the slide.
Just have changed the slide.
Okay. Rules of subject verb agreement. Now here when two subjects join and verb is plural, if a noun join with and, here verb is singular. Sir, please change the slide. Okay. The pronoun you always takes a plural verb. You were invited to come. Were is also a plural verb. You are asked to clean the room. Here is also are is a plural verb. If a sentence begins with here or there, the verb agrees with the subject which follows it. For example, here are the way on how to preserve meat are. Now are is a there is a huge gap between the rich and the poor. Sir, please change the slide.
There is no more slide.
Sir, please change the slide, sir.
Slide यही है आपकी और कोई नहीं है.
Sir, next करें. Sir,
That's
एक और
all.
slide है. Okay, compound subjects. Two subjects in same sentences. Now here sugar and flour are needed for the recipe. The creator and producer is arriving soon, and dolphins and elephants are sorry sir.
Just
Sir,
carry on.
sir, here's another example. Like chocolate and strawberry are my two favorite flavor of ice creams,
But you did not
and
mention these
both men
examples
and
here.
women.
You did not mention
Sir,
the examples here. Why?
sir, I'm just mentioned two examples.
But you should have mentioned more than two examples. Examples are very important.
Okay, sir,
Okay.
that's it.
Can you give me any confusing subject verb agreement that is confusing?
Sir, what?
Can you give me an example of any subject verb agreement that is confusing, that creates confusion? कोई एग्जाम्पल जो कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करे. सिंपल में तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती ना. कंफ्यूजन किस में क्रिएट होती है?
सर जैसे कि इसमें है अगर मैं बोलूं कि दिस बॉक्स बिलोंग्स इन द एटिक, और एक और है होगा दिस बॉक्स ऑफ एरोमेंट्स बिलोंग्स इन द एटिक. सर इसमें थोड़ा सा होगा.
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. ओके, okay, kindly send your presentation to your CR. CR will send to me. क्योंकि if you send me individually, so I will not be able to find out your presentation. It will be difficult for me. Okay, now let me find out who's there. Anita Sattar. Anita Sattar, is she present?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm playing here once. Here we go. This way. This is not yours. Anita Sattar, where is she? Start, please.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Anita Sattar, a student of BS English 10th batch. Today the topic of my presentation is connotation.
तो घर पे थोड़ा कहेंगे खामोशी इख्तियार करें थोड़ी देर के लिए ना,
Yes, sir.
या थोड़ी देर के लिए ना, 2-4 मिनट की बात है. स्टार्ट प्लीज, कंटिन्यू.
What is connotation? The word connotation is a suggested or implied meaning. Word doesn't have only a dictionary meaning. It's the meaning is above the word. Means if we have a one word, so that's not mean that one word have only a one meaning, that is dictionary meaning. The one word have many meanings. Associating meanings are called connotation. Cultural associating meanings are also belong to connotation. A connotation is the feelings or ideas that words has in additions to its literally or main meaning. The means the connotation, the exact meaning of connotation is means the hidden meaning. The word, when we say any word, that the behind that word the meaning occurs, that is known as connotation. The word doesn't and only a dictionary meaning. Uh, they have more than other meanings. For example, we have an example that a student of 5 class is tiresome. If we versus the student of 5 class is lazy. Now in connotation, we have to, if we are good in connotation, so we choose a good words to convey our message. If we use the word lazy, it is not good. So instead of using the word lazy, we have to use the word tiresome, because the tiresome word show the positive impact. Now I wanna come in the types of connotation. There are some types of connotation, three types of connotation. The first is positive, then negative, and neutral connotation. In positive connotation, a word whose connotation implies the positive emotions and associations, that are known as positive connotation. Sir, please change the slide. Positive connotation, sir. In positive connotation, when the word, I have explained that the one word have many meanings. How we can understand the what the meaning is, the particular word, when we use a word in a sentence, that we come to know what the actual meaning of that word is. If we don't use the word in a sentence, that we comes in a confusion that what the words got what the real meaning of that word, because the word have many meanings. So here, if we have a word, any word, then in one word, we have to go towards it. It's up to us that we are going to a positive meaning or a negative meaning. For example, now here the sentence is, Hasnan is a clever boy. This word, now the word clever produce a totally positive sense. In this sentence, the clever is using as a positive it is giving a positive concept. If we give the word clever to another sentence, it's also show the positive impact. It never goes toward the negative.
Okay.
Similarly,
Okay. Tell me the importance of connotation.
So if we know the connotation, if we are good in connotation, so we choose the good words. We choose the correct word in any sentence or in everywhere. If we are not in a good in any, if we are not good in connotation, so we don't know how and when what word we can use. For example, if the word, if I am saying that the Kainat and Amma's are Kainat is Amma's girlfriend. So here the word girlfriend shows the negative impact, because I am not in good in connotation, so I have choose this word. I am not good, if I am good in connotation, I am aware to the connotation, so I use here the Kainat is Amma's friend. So girlfriend is sorry, friend is better than the word girlfriend. If I am good in connotation, so I choose these words to convey my message.
Okay, thank you.
I
Thank
come
you.
to know that.
Thank you very much. Thank
Thank you, sir.
you. Okay, one more student I will be able to get right now. So who is this? Madi Ali.
Let me give my
Okay, who is this?
and I'm using mobile data and there is no light.
Who is this?
Sir, my mobile phone doesn't have any charge and I'm using mobile data. There is no light. Please, can you please let me present my presentation?
What is your name? Who is this? Whose presentation is this without
My
name?
name is Ismahan Taj.
सर ये मेरी है
आपकी है। रिजवान तारिक presentation कहाँ है आपकी?
जी
Rizwan Tariq, where is your presentation?
I'm not Rizwan Tariq,
सर आई
I'm
एम नॉट
Ismahan
रिजवान
Tariq.
तारिक आई एम उमामा रजा
Okay, you first give your presentation. Start, please. What's your name?
उमामा रजा
Repeat your name, please.
उमामा रजा
So why didn't you mention your name here?
सर यू फॉरगॉट टू मेंशन माय नेम
Umama Razak. Start, please. Start.
आई एम उमामा रजा टुडे माय प्रेजेंटेशन टॉपिक इज how important is know about to polysemy. This slide please. Next, what is polysemy? Polysemy means poly means meaning and semi means many. Poly means many, semi means meaning. The word polysemy comes from a Greek root poly that means many and the semi that means meaning. Polysemy is a word which has similar meaning. There are many English words with related meaning. There are some examples of polysemy. For example, book. A book is also a collection of pages, and the other meaning is book to make an action or event a matter of report. Just like that, I forget to book an hotel room. And the other one is bank. We climbed the river bank safely. And the other one bank is there was a bank of switches on the wall. Third one is head, a head of body, the part of the body also called head, and the person at the top of company is also called head. Next slide, please. How important is to know about polysemy? Polysemy is one of the major problems encountered by semantics. Lexical semantics today is very much concerned with polysemy. You have the ability to select the context rapidly. So here I can say that when a polysemy word occurs in a everyday communication, we have ability to select the context related meaning very rapidly. Because sometimes someone other than is speaking English and the native and someone is native English speaker, so there can be many problems because of the polysemy. Because the one word has many meanings. That's it,
Okay,
sir. Thank you.
how do you study polysemy? From where do you study polysemy?
can't understand the question.
From where do you study polysemy? Polysemy. How do you? From where? Which is your source? From where do you study polysemy? From which book?
So from internet
Internet. But
or
do you
some
think internet is? Do you think internet is a good way?
sir, no, not internet in good way, but now I just read all from internet because I don't have any book of polysemy right now.
But there is no book of polysemy. You can study polysemy from dictionaries, which I yesterday, if you remember, in the morning I had two classes in which I taught
Yes, sir,
how
I know.
to use dictionaries. So you can study polysemy from these online dictionaries. Okay. So thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Your name, Umama Razak. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is how
Thank
we
you,
have
sir.
done today session. 14 students